Hi. So today we're going to work on an exercise to loosen up tension, particularly in the lower back and the legs, with a focus on the hamstrings. So to do that, I'm going to invite you to take your stance out a little wider than your shoulders, to wherever you can feel comfortable, that you can allow your feet to feel firmly on the ground. So if you have to lift your toes or anything, you want to make sure that you're bringing it in a little bit more. So finding that nice comfortable position, let's take a breath in, and as you exhale, let your chin slowly drop towards the chest. Let the shoulders begin to round. Release the arms, and let each vertebra release one at a time as you work your way down towards the floor, and only going as deep as comfortable for you. And just take a moment just to do a forward fold, stretching and releasing the back. Let the head relax, the neck relax. And you may want to even do a little bit of shaking the arms, swaying the arms to release the tension in the lower back. Maybe going a little bit backwards and forwards, side to side. And then slowing that down, and then slowly come over to your right leg and begin to rub your hamstrings. Just rub up and down. Let's create some warmth. And then let's rub up and down the calves. Creating some friction, creating some heat. And then let's tap our way down from the buttocks down the back of the leg, getting some more blood flow there. Focusing on tapping down the body. Good. And then slowly work your way over to the left side and rubbing the hamstrings. Create some friction there, create some heat. Move that down to your calves. And let's tap from the buttock down the back of the leg. Creating some more blood flow into the leg. And one more time. Good. Let your hands just hang in front. And then I'm going to invite you to bend your knees, tuck the tailbone, take a nice breath in, and slowly but gently stack your vertebra. Coming back up to a standing posture. Letting the head be the last to arrive. When you do it slow, the blood comes with you, and you're less likely to get lightheaded. And just take a moment, feel more energy, feel some warmth in your legs, more vibrancy in the legs, a little bit more energy in the lower back. If you like, you can repeat that a couple times to give yourself a sense of loosening up the lower extremities. So I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.